Hey guys, so today we are going to get started on the new Wet n Wild Disney Villains collection makeup tutorials. So if you are new to my channel and you stumbled across this video by accident, I always list everything in the description box that I'm wearing for products because I like to start my tutorials with blush because I think that everything that comes before that is boring. So all the products will be listed there, and if you're a regular to my channel, you might see some different products listed that I don't normally use. I thought it would be fun to use as many Wet n Wild products as possible since this is a basically Wet n Wild video. All right, so let's get started. So the way I did this was I separated all the products into categories by villains or villainesses in this case. And today we're starting with Maleficent. So let's begin with blush, like I said. So the Disney Villains blush for her is Dark Wings, the cream blush. And I love how it actually has an imprint on there. And this is a plum. And this is great because I've been really into plums lately. And so I'm just going to grab this old Essence brush. I, I hate to mess this up, but we'll just tap my brush lightly in there. Okay, good. We'll just buff that in. And because they released cream and jelly blushes, we're actually going to use a little bit of both because I want to try them both out. So that blended nicely. And then for the jelly blush, this one with Maleficent is called Fiery. And if you've never used these kind of blushes before, don't throw this cap away because you want to use that and the other cap to keep the product, the right consistency. So this looks black just when you look at it, but this is the color that we're going to get. So I'm just going to layer a tiny bit of this on top. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to press it to the center of my blush area and then blend that right on top of the other blush. Now, if you have never seen any of my videos before, I don't like a lot of blush. So for me to use two blushes, one on top of each other, is a big deal for me. So I just am using a little bit of each one because I don't like a lot of blush. I don't know. Maybe it's because I have a lot of color in my skin already, so I don't like it to be too much because usually I'm trying to tone that down, not make it more so. So that I think looks very natural, and I do like the color. Now for the highlight, they released jelly highlights, and this is called Cast Spell. And it's just got Maleficent symbols on the outside cover, and then I removed the little cover that goes on top, and it's a white, and it is an intense white. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go across the top of my cheekbones like that. And then I'm going to take a highlight brush. Hopefully I have one in front of me here. I did not. I had to go get one. So I'm just going to blend that a little bit. So that works great with my skin tone because, it's not going to look too crazy because my skin is pretty white. So a white highlighter on white skin is not ever going to look intense. And I've got my little Disney Villains mirror here. Okay, so I've already applied my Wet n Wild Megalast eyeshadow primer, and if you've never used this, this is a great eyeshadow primer. It's translucent, so it's not going to add any color to that area that would interfere with your eyeshadows. I think this is the best affordable eyeshadow primer probably out there. All right, so for eyeshadow, we're going to use the palette that has the picture of Maleficent on it, of course. And what I decided to do is I want to use every shade in this row right here. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to grab a Wet n Wild large shader brush. And first we're going to go into this beautiful teal shade right here. And they do have names. So that one is called Tentacles, which is more associated with Ursula, but I just decided to use the blues for Maleficent because of what they released for a lip product, and you'll see when we get to that. So I'm just going to put some of this teal shade on my brush. Whoa. Wow, wow, wow. Okay, that one's pigmented. This should be interesting. Oh, good, it's not going to look crazy. When I saw how pigmented that was, I thought, ooh, did I make a mistake going into that as hard as I did? No, I did not. That looks really pretty on. Okay, so I'm just trying to get that exactly where I want it. Yeah, that's a beautiful shade. And I've got my Corpse Bride jewelry on from Spirit Halloween that I bought. And these earrings I made. I like to buy charms from stores like Michael's and Hobby Lobby, and then I buy the little clip things that you can attach to the charms and make my own jewelry sometimes. Okay, so I'm taking it out a little bit. If you hear any noise in the background, my husband is home because it's Labor Day today. So hopefully he won't make too much noise. Okay, I'm just trying to get like even coverage over in this section here and make sure I get it down to the lash line. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is actually I'm going to take a small clean brush and I'm going to dip into this light shade right here, which is called Sorcery. And it's a really pretty light blue. And I'm going to put that on my brow bone and inner corner. Oh, that's really pretty. Okay, now I'm gonna take my finger and go into this glittery blue shade. And this is kind of like scattered glitter. And I'm going to tap that onto that other teal shade and just give it a little extra something. Pretty. Okay. Right now I'm going to take like a detail brush and I'm going to go into this really dark shade down here. And it's like a um, gray, like a dark gray. And it is called Jetsam. So I'm just going to pick up some of that on that detail brush. And we are going to very carefully put that right along the lash line. And I'm starting on the outside part of my eye and working my way in so that we get progressively less and less product as we go in. Okay, and now I'm going to take a clean small brush and I'm just going to very gently tap my brush into that same Jetsam color. And we're just going to put a little bit of that in the outside corner of my eye just to give this a little bit of dimension. Just a tiny bit. I really don't want a lot. Okay. Now, if you want a little more of that teal color like on your waterline, Wet n Wild makes a multi-stick, a color icon multi-stick called Not So Calm Waters that is going to match those eyeshadows perfectly. So I'm going to attempt to use this on my waterline. Now it's a multi-stick, so you can use this however you want. You can use it as a lipstick, a blush, an eyeshadow primer, however you want to use it. But I'm going to attempt to put this on my waterline. And the reason why I say attempt is it's kind of thick, you know, to use as an eyeliner, but I did it. Yay! All right, so that's good. Now I'm going to shut off the camera, curl my lashes, put my mascara on, and come back and I'll show you what they released for a lip product from Maleficent. Okay, so that was the Beautiful Destroyer eyeshadow palette from this Disney Villains collection, and I just used every shade in this row right here. And now we're going to use the lip product that had the picture of Maleficent on it. And this is a plumping lip gloss, and it is called Unfriended. And I did test this out yesterday just to see how it was. And because it is a plumping lip gloss, it has a little bit of a burn to it. So if you can't tolerate that or don't like that, then these plumping lip glosses may not be for you. But the colors are very like shimmery and very pretty, I think. So this is why, now you might see why I decided to use what I decided to use for the eyeshadow colors. Because this is really, really a beautiful like teal shade. All right, so let's go in. And I'm not going to use a lip liner or anything under this. I just want to use the gloss itself. So that's pretty intense, and this is not like a color that I would typically use on my lips, but it is pretty and very sparkly and very appropriate for Halloween, I think. But I really like the way the eye look turned out. That is my favorite thing, I think, out of all this. Although I do like the blushes and the highlighter too. So that is my Maleficent makeup tutorial from this Disney Villains collection that is at Walmart right now. So thank you for watching and subscribing. And if you like this, don't forget to give it a thumbs up because it helps my channel when you do. So thanks, guys. Bye.